I passed my driver's test. Now I could drive a car. That doesn't sound right. What's wrong with that expression? Hi everybody, I'm Aliona at Cake English, and I'm here to answer your questions. Today's question is, what's the difference between can and could? Well, one big difference is that can is used for something that is certain, and could means that something is only a possibility. Let me explain. The word can is used in many ways, but one common way is that can means to be able to do something. We can think of can the same way as be able to. So we use can to talk about someone's skills or abilities, like I can play the piano, or I can dance. We could even say, I can meet you later, because I'm able to meet you later in the day. On the other hand, we use could to show that something is possible, but not certain. For example, it could rain tomorrow. We used could to show that something may be possible in the future, but we are not 100% sure about it. Here's a tip. When making a request, it's better to use the word could instead of can because it sounds more polite. Like in this sentence. Could you help me? Or, could I ask you a question? So let's avoid confusion and learn to use can and could correctly and confidently. Repeat after me for some speaking practice. Dolphins can swim very well. Dolphins can swim very well. I can help you move to your new apartment. I can help you move to your new apartment. Can you speak French? Can you speak French? If we finish our work quickly, we could go home early. If we finish our work quickly, we could go home early. We could go to the park when the rain stops. We could go to the park when the rain stops. Could you please pass me the dish? Could you please pass me the dish? Do you understand the difference between can and could? Then let's try out a quiz. Yes, now I drive very well. Yes, now I can drive very well. You speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? Our company motto is, we help you. Our company motto is, we can help you. Good job, everyone. That's it for today. Remember to download the Cake app for free so you can find more videos just like this one. See you next time. Bye.